This is the ball and stick model of alene. Better to say it is a derivative of alene, because alene having all the 4 hydrogens, while here these blue and yellow groups, they are not same. Now as we discuss in the case of alene, this particular carbon is sp hybrid, and this one and this one, they are sp2 hybrid carbons. So because of that, you can see that this carbon, since it is a sp hybrid, so having py and pz orbital unhybridized, while since this is a sp2, both terminal carbons, so they have one pz orbital which is unhybridized. So one double bond, this one, you can see that shown with the white stick, that is a form because of the combination of pz, and this one pz and py. Now py and pz, we know that both are perpendicular to each other. That's why automatically you can see that this double bond, pi bond, and this one, they are already perpendicular to each other. So we can say that this is perpendicular, two groups attached, even they are perpendicular to this bond. This bond is also perpendicular to this one, and the two groups attached here with this bond, they are again perpendicular. So we can say that these two groups and this bond, they are parallel. This bond and these two groups, they are also parallel. So alternatively, in the plane of the screen perpendicular, in the plane perpendicular. So now you can guess that if we draw a line and pass through the center, and we if extrapolate that line, it will end here, not to the yellow. So one yellow is here this way and another is this way, so there is no question of the center of the symmetry. But if any terminal carbon, as I have earlier explained you, if they have the same groups, like both blue here or both yellow here, or even in this case, then you can see that if these two groups are same, then if we bisect that plane, then equal groups will be available at equal distance, and as a result we can say that plane of symmetry could be present. So condition of alene or derivative of alene, so that it can be optically active, is that no terminal carbon, whether this one or whether this one, no terminal carbon should have same groups. Even if this carbon having a same group, plane of symmetry would be present. Here also if the groups are same, plane of symmetry is present. There is no question of the center of symmetry, because these two groups and these two groups, they are already perpendicular. So there is no question of the center of the symmetry. So either the alene derivatives with all the 4 groups are different, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, or otherwise no terminal carbon should have same groups. Only this kind of alene derivatives can be optically active.